Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have some news for you guys. Today is basically the last day that you guys will be seeing me film on this camera. Yep, so your girl got an upgrade now, and honestly I'm just super excited. I'm happy. I've been talking about this camera for months now. Well, not to you guys, I've been talking about it to family and friends, and I'm just so happy to have it in my possession. So yeah, I decided I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. So before we get into that, if you guys haven't already yet subscribed, then what are you waiting for? You know, your girl just got a new camera, your girl's about to post videos, your girl is happy. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and let's get into it. So I have 4 main reasons why I got this camera, and I'm just gonna kind of go through it with you guys, you know. But before I get to that, I'm just gonna show you the box. This is what it came in, and this is the Canon Powershot sx740HS. I'm pretty sure majority of us don't know what that means, but that's okay. That's okay. It just means it's an upgrade from whatever I had before. But yeah, so this is the box, and let me show you what's inside. I took everything out already, so it's not really necessary for me to show you in the box. Like, obviously it has, it's pretty windy outside, guys, so don't mind that. But obviously it has like the manual, and it has instructions on whatnot. You know, the box is empty. I took everything out. But it basically came with the camera, the charger, and it came with a strap to kind of like hook to the camera so that, you know, you have a good grip on it. And then I got a case with it, as well as a memory card. Yeah, so I bought the case and a memory card separate. It was just a couple extra dollars more. Like for the case, it was like probably $17, and then for the memory card was probably like, or was the memory card $17, and case was kind of like $12-13. So yeah, so knowing me, I already had the camera in the case because, you know, your girl's not trying to have no issues, and I just got the camera. But this is basically what the case looks like. You know, it's just a simple case with a really long strap. And then when you open it up, this is the camera. So this is how the camera looks, guys. So the first thing that I liked about this camera was the fact that, you know, when you turn it on, and you just press this button right here, you turn it on, the camera actually opens up. Like, the lens are actually covered when it's like off, and then when you turn it on, it opens up. So I'm just gonna turn it off so you guys can actually see the lens close. So that's actually a pretty cool thing that, you know, I realized, and I'm actually glad that it could do that, because my old camera, it has like a cap that you put on the lens just so it doesn't get smudged, and I feel like this is really convenient. You just turn it off and it closes up, you turn it on, it opens up, you know. So I thought that was really cool. The second point is that the camera is like pretty small, so you could actually like fit it into like small bags and whatnot. The old camera, I usually have issues with fitting it in, you know, small bags, because like it's kind of bigger than this one, and I'll try to like insert a picture so you guys can see the difference in the camera size. But this, it's easier to carry around, and, you know, I think that's actually a plus as well. So the third thing is that, and this was the main reason why I got this camera. So you turn it on and you basically could see everything on the screen, right? So with my old camera, it would show just like this. But with this camera, all you have to do is flip the screen like this, and you can basically see yourself. And honestly, this is the main reason why I got this camera, because I needed a camera that I could see myself through, so that way I could vlog. Because with the old camera, like, I couldn't see myself, and I wouldn't realize that, you know, the camera started blurring until it was too late. So I thought this was really, this was just the icing on the cake for me, basically. And now, so this brings me to my fourth point, which is the quality of the camera. The old camera that I have, it is a 16 megapixel camera, and this camera is a 20.3. So I'm just gonna do like a quick video of myself so you guys can see the quality difference. So I'm just gonna record, hit record. And yeah, we are reporting live from the upgraded camera. So, and let me get you the background right there. The lights are really nice. Okay. Oh my god, what did I do? I just turned it off. But like, yeah, I'm still getting used to this stuff. Hopefully that video saved. Let me just check. Guys, I'm still learning, you know, so it's okay. It's okay. We'll get it. We'll get it soon. Okay, so the video did save. So guys, yes, I'm still learning different things about this camera, but those are the 4 main points that really caught my eye when it came to this camera. So yeah guys, I'm really excited on doing vlogging with this camera. I'm really excited on doing just so much more. It's like a really big motivation knowing that, you know, I got my camera, I can do different stuff with it. I'm not really limited to certain things, and I'm just pretty excited on taking you guys on this journey as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, until next time, bye.